Guess I have to stay here now. Oh right, I almost forgot. You guys have a lucky day, for I got something in the mail. Man, I can't even reach the paper. Oh right, let me use my troll physics. I got it now. Problem. Anyways, I am gonna open this now and see what's inside. Dude, this mail ain't even mine. I swear companies do this on purpose. Anyways, I am gonna go now. Goodbye. Whoa, wait, what is happening?
This is a response from the Trollj alert system, speaking to you. As you know, there was supposed rain coming in 5 days. We all thought this was a normal storm, but scientists have collected samples of the rain and there is shocking news. There is oil in the rain. This rain contacts with you and makes you fly all the way up into the sky. All citizens are required to seek shelter immediately under any circumstance. It doesn't matter where you are, seek shelter now.
I swear this better not be an incident.